To say cheers, bless you, and health, you say salud. Okay, let me break it down one step at a time. Cheers, salud. I'll break it down. Repeat after me. Salud. Salud. Cheers, salud. Also, if somebody sneezes, achoo, you immediately say to them, salud, which means bless you, salud. Also, to say health, you say salud. For instance, how is your health? ¿Cómo está tu salud? How is your health? ¿Cómo está tu salud? It's good. Muy bien. Let's review the three words. To say cheers, bless you, or health, you say salud. So next time you go to a bar or you're drinking with your buddies, you say salud. And next time you hear somebody sneezing, you immediately say to them salud. Also, to say health, you say salud. To say how is his health or how is her health, you say it the same way. ¿Cómo está su salud?